taping?
Mm-hmm.
Look, you see her new shoes?
Oh, wait a minute. I'm out of focus here. Okay. Look at the new shoes. Oh, look, River. Aren't you cute?
Yeah, maybe come around this way. She's having trouble. She's never had shoes with soles. She's only had the slippers. No, come. All right, we'll play with the train in a minute. Oh, she's stubborn.
What did she drop? Oh, look at that.
There she goes. Call her.
Come on, River.
Giggle, giggle, giggle.
Giggle, giggle, giggle. Giggle, giggle, giggle. Look at those shoes.
All right. Wanna play with the train? So I think we'll take those.
Yeah, hi.
Come on.
Hi. You may be doing a lot of editing. First pair of shoes.
Look at these.
First pair of shoes.
Oh yeah, those go on nice.
Ooh, look at that. Second pair of shoes. All in one day.
Sneakers? They're good for summer because they're not totally...
Yeah, look at those big clunky shoes. They look so big and clunky.
Can't tell I have kids.
But they're cute.
Come on. I know you're not used to them.
Oh, those are...
Do you need some help, ma'am?
She's having a tough time with those.
She's got to get used to it. No problem.
Look at that.
Come on. Can you stand?
The only other early sudden we had was that one. Okay.
Oh.
Thank you.
Ooh, look at that. Hey.
Oh.
She wants to play with the toys.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, well, let's take those in the black one.
River. River. Hi. Hi. River.
Want to keep those on her? Yeah. Okay, so perfectly fine. Just these.
These will be up at the register.
Hi. Put these away so we can get the other ones. I thought there was one.
Bye-bye, Mommy.
Oh, she usually loves these things.
There's Grandma. Great-Grandma. Hi, Great-Grandma. Let's see your shoes. Oh, those are nice new shoes, too. Wow.
Come over here. Look at that.
Oh. River. What you doing?
Such nice shoes. She's like, I don't want this. I want the train. Oh, no.
There we are.
River.
She wanted to on the train.
River. Giggle, giggle. It's impossible.
Look at those shoes. Oh, she did it. Yay.
Look at these. These are cool.
All right, I'm going to stop it now.
Okay.
Say bye.